Hey guys, John here, 1984 Barbecue. Today's cook is going to be a special cook, okay? And it is dedicated to my grandmother who passed away 5 years ago from cancer, and to my mother, who most of y'all don't know, just was recently diagnosed with it. So, with that being said, I am part of a collaboration with multiple YouTubers across the country under the hashtag Cooking Against Cancer. Okay, so Shane from Never Trust a Skinny Chef was the one who got this started, got the ball rolling. I'll leave a link in the iCard above for his channel as well. So anyways, guys, I'm dedicating this cook to my grandmother who passed away, and to my mother who's recently diagnosed with cancer. Um, So I'm going to be doing a pork butt today on the UDS. You guys seen me do one pork butt before on different cookers, but first time on the UDS. So let's get started, guys. Alrighty, we're here at the UDS. We're going to put this pork butt on. Running right around 250. Oh, slide on me there, guys. There we go. We're just going to lay that right there. Set that over here. Alright, guys, got our pork butt on. It's injected with Butcher's Barbecue pork injection, and it's seasoned with Oak Ridge Barbecue's Secret Weapon chicken and pork rub. Okay, look at that color, guys. All right, I got no water panning out in here, guys. We're just gonna let this UDS roll, let it do its job. We're gonna try to run around 250 or so, and it's 10:38. We're gonna check on it in about 2 hours. We'll see you then, guys. We're at the 2 hour mark, and we're going to take a look at this. To be honest with you guys, I've been kind of fighting this temperatures here. It's really hot outside today. It's about 93, 94, and it's already like 12:44. So, anyways, guys, we're holding right around 250. Let's take a look at this real quick. Oh yeah, Park's getting a nice color on it. Not set yet, guys, but it is getting a nice color on it. All right. Alright, guys, I'm going to let this go a little while longer, and I'll bring you back here shortly. Alrighty, we're at the 3 hour mark. We're going to take a look here. Let's see what we look like. Sorry, it's a little smoky, guys. Get some nice color on this. I've already spritzed this once, guys. Got a mixture of apple cider vinegar and Jim Beam whiskey. And I also rotated this too, guys, just so you know. I have not took a temperature on this yet. I'm going to spritz this down. There we go. Now let's take a look and see where we're at temp-wise, guys. $123, 40, 39. So we got a little ways to go, guys. I'm going to put this down here like that. Alright, guys, I'm going to let this go a little bit longer, and I'll bring you back when we get ready to wrap it. Alright, you guys, let's take a look at this pork butt. We are roughly 5 hours in on this cook, and I am happy with the color I have on this pork butt. I am going to hit it with just a little more spritz, what I got left in this jar, like so. And I am going to wrap this, guys. I'm going to wrap this up with some brown sugar, butter, honey. Alrighty? I'm not going to show you all that because you all have seen it before. So we're going to get this off the barrel. We're going to get it wrapped up. We're going to get it put back on and let it go from there. And I'll bring you guys back when we get ready to pull it. Pork butt is done. Guys, it's reading 205 on the ThermoWorks dot. This thing's been running a good steady 275, 300 when I rose the temperature up. Otherwise, it ran right around 250. A little rough going in the beginning, but we got it there, guys. So let's go ahead and, it's wrapped up, guys. We're going to go ahead and get this pork butt on out of here. Man, it smells good, guys. I'm just going to kind of, oh yeah, like butter. Yeah, like butter, you guys, like butter. Go ahead and get that. probe out of there. Got a little aluminum pan. I'm going to set this in. I'll try to. Anyways, guys, I'm going to get this in the pan, get it inside. We're going to let it rest for about an hour, and I'll bring you back then. Forgive me for the lighting. It's late. Anyways, we got this done. It's been done for a little bit, guys. I just got busy. But anyways, let's do a quick recap. We injected with Butcher's Barbecue. We had an over 8.5 pound pork butt. We seasoned it with Oak Ridge Barbecue's Secret Weapon pork and chicken rub. Okay. We did this on the UDS, and it ran good. Started out kind of shaky in the beginning, but we got it under control. So ran temperatures right around 250, and then I increased them up to about 300 towards the end. Okay. All in all, guys, I got this on about 10:40 in the morning, and I pulled it off just about 6:30 at night. So, you know, roughly about a 8-hour cook, close to it. But and it was 101 degrees outside. But anyways, guys, there's the pulled pork. As you can see, beautiful bark on that. Oh, if I didn't mention this, guys, I used post oak and cherry. Post oak and cherry on this, okay? This is very good stuff, guys. Get a little bite here. Get that smoke. It's juicy from the injection. Good flavor, guys. Just all around good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to click on the hashtag Cooking Against Cancer. Okay, that's what this was all about. Mine, again, was to my mom and my grandma. So my grandma passed away about 5 years ago from cancer, and my mom just recently got diagnosed. So, and most of y'all don't know that. So anyways, this is what this cook was all about. Cooking against cancer. Shane from Never Trust a Skinny Chef. I'm sorry, Never Trust a Skinny Chef. Shane, I'll leave a link up in the iCard for his channel, as well as down in the description box. He was the one that headed this up. Click on that hashtag, guys. See what everybody's doing this Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon or whatever, August the 24th. See what everybody else's video is about, guys. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Hit that like and subscribe. And I really appreciate you guys. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.